Hello guys, welcome to GK class. Today we will discuss most important topics BRICS Summit 2024. Let's start the video. First question, where is the BRICS Summit 2024 are held? Correct answer option A, Kazan, located in Russia. Next, what is the full form of BRICS? Correct answer option B, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. When was group of BRICS established? Correct answer option C, 2006. Next question, which of following language are not official language of BRICS? Correct answer option D, Hindi language. Where is the headquarters of BRICS? Answer option A, Shanghai, located in China. When was first time BRICS Summit are held? Correct answer option B, 2009. At the present, total number of members in BRICS group. Answer option C, 10. How many times India hosting the BRICS Summit? Answer option B, 3 times. Which country has announced the launch of BRICS Startup Forum? Answer is option A, India. What is the name of the bank of BRICS countries? Correct answer option B, New Development Bank. Where did the BRICS leaders sign the agreement to establish New Development Bank at the summit? Answer option C, Fortaleza in Brazil. BRICS has become BRICS after joining which country? Correct answer option B, South Africa. Which country hosted the first BRICS Summit? Correct answer option A, Russia. Who chaired the BRICS Summit 2024? Correct answer option D, Vladimir Putin. BRICS Summit 2024 held in which edition? Correct answer option C, 16th edition. When was BRICS Summit 2024 are held? Correct answer option B, 22nd of October to 24th of October.